Create a Temu account. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. In this updated video, I'll show you step by step how to sign up on Temu's website. Like these kinds of videos, we've got more related content on this channel. Subscribe, hit like, I'm always making videos to help you guys out. Folks, Temu is an online store known for its wide range of products at super low prices. It's owned by PDD Holdings. Launched in 2022, Temu quickly became popular, especially in the US, due to its affordable pricing and vast selection of items from clothing, accessories, electronics, home goods to gardening, beauty products, and much more. I'll leave the direct link to sign up for Temu in this video's description. In this video, I'll show you how to register on the website, then through the app. On the site, clicking the link redirects you to Temu's page. Click here to register. Orders and accounts. You'll create an account quickly. Here, it asks for your email or phone number to register. You can also sign up using your Gmail, Facebook, or Apple account. So you have a few options for registration. What am I going to do? I'll use my Gmail account, clicking on the Google symbol, choose an account, and Google will share my name, email, language preference, and profile picture. That's fine. I'll click continue, and there I've quickly registered. It even pulled my photo from my Gmail account. Some options will appear here, folks. You can click here on coupons and offers to grab available deals. There aren't any right now, but keep an eye on this tab, folks. Now you can shop on the Temu website. Don't miss upcoming videos with more settings and detailed walkthroughs. Did you sign up? Let us know in the comments below. Subscribe for more tutorials. That's all for now. Take care. God bless. Thanks.